Welcome to the Angular JS Lab program tutorials. I'm Kanika Lakshmi DG, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. To create an Angular JS application that allows user to maintain a collection of items, the application should display the current total number of items, and this code count should automatically update as the item are added or removed. User should be able to add the items to the collection and remove this from as needed. For this, we are writing the program with the HTML and the name is given is item app. Then the source, in that source contains the library function that is having in this particular website. Next is the body ng controller. The name is given is item controller. Next, it web page is going to display with the header item collection. We are going, if you want to add the item, we require a text box. So for that we are using the text. So input text, in the type is given is text, so it is going to display the text box. Next, if we are going to add the item, for that you are using the ng click. It is going to give the button option to add an item. For that function we are calling add item. Next, ul is the unordered list. So whichever the item get be added, that is going to display in an unordered list. That's why we are using ul. Next is ng repeat is an array used to hold the item. Next is the click button we are using for the remove. If we don't want the particular items, if you give a remove button, if you click on remove button, it is going to delete. For these are the web page applications. Next, we are writing the code for that too. Next is app controller. So in that app controller, item controller is the name given for this ng controller. Next is, it is having the default item 1, item 2 and item 3. So this is the function to add an item. Item dot push, if you are going to add a new item, it is going to push this item to an array. After that, it is clearing for the input field. For that we are using this, that is new item is equal to null. Next is, if you are going to remove the particular item, when you click on that item, it is going to get the index having the whichever the item you are going to remove. So if you give this statement scope.item.splice, it is going to remove that item. See here, we are going to see the output of this program is, see here, this is the add item, that is we are going to add the item with 4. So if I give add item, it is going to add it at the list. It is an unordered list. Suppose, and also it is showing the total number of items. If I want to remove this item, I click on that remove button, it is going to delete. Then it is going the total item present in the sheet web page.